Hi everyone, it's Miz here. Gosh, am I hearing of so many incredible ways that people are innovating at the moment. Of the distillery in Sydney that was producing alcohol that has now turned its entire manufacturing into producing hand sanitizers. To a friend of mine whose shirt business obviously went down the tubes when no one's going to work and no one needs business shirts, and he has turned his entire manufacturing into making reusable filtered masks that not only is he selling, but he has given the patent to people to sew 200,000 plus masks to give in Singapore to the foreign workers who are really struggling with quite a bad outbreak of the virus at the moment. The mere act of pivoting to something that people need now is an act of goodwill. It is an act of the highest of service to the community. There are wonderful stories I'm hearing every day of, businesses who are shifting their manufacturing to creating, the plastic masks, to creating hospital grade scrubs. Whatever it is you have, think how it can be put to good use by just shifting what you do. There is a great need for all sorts of things at the moment. Think what you can create. This is a time for innovation. This is a time for pivoting. This is a time for adapting to change, using your expertise. And if you can't do what you were doing a few months ago, but you can do something else now is the time to step up to do it. This is a time to adapt. This is a time to pivot. This is a time to innovate. There are wonderful stories out there. You can search them online if you need inspiration, but do what you can to innovate at this time where there is the highest need. If it's something you can't do on your own, or an idea you have, or an idea you have for a friend, start discussions, open doors for people, start introducing your network to each other. Now is the time to help your community, to meet other people in your community for the best outcomes for this situation. I wish you all the best.